everybody, Mrs. Miles again, welcome back. Now, today we're going to do some writing, handwriting, spelling, and a writing of a sentence. So, if you need to go and get a piece of paper, pencil and a pen, whatever you need, pause the video now and then come back, start the video and we can start our session. So if you need to go and get something to write with, go and do it now. Pause the video and off you go. Fabulous. Are we ready? Magnet eyes, listening ears. Let's go. The sound we're learning today is oh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Now, I can think that some of you will be saying, we know that sound already, Mrs. Miles. We've learnt it and it looks like this. And you would be right. But some sounds have different ways of writing them and different ways of making them. And we're learning a new way today. And so the sound still is oh, 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 oh. Fabulous. Okay, let's have a look at the picture. Can you see? And the picture there is of her mum and a little boy. And they look at a book. Oh, look at a book. Oh, look at a book. Oh, look at a book. They're looking at a book together. Can you see? Look at a book. It's a special friend, and just like the one that we learnt yesterday, the other time, Pooh at the Zoo. Do you remember that one? Ooh, it's made with an O and O. It's just got these little eyes here to remind you of it's making the sound. So in this one, like in look with your eyes. So in this one, when you see it like this, you won't see it written like this in a book, but just to remind you with our sound cards, it's got the eyes to know it's the and not the oo. Okay, so it's made in the same way as the oo, but in these words that we're looking at today, it says oh. So we've got look at a book, and oh. Okay, are we ready? Let's play mixing it up. Oh, look at a book. Oh, look at a book. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at a book. Fantastic. Oh, okay. Can you go and get something to write with? Okay. Well, let's have a practice. So, on my pad, I've got my lines, if you can remember. Okay. If you haven't got lines, don't worry. I'm just doing it so you can see, because when we go back to school, you're going to be writing on your lines, whenever that might be. Okay? So, just like we did with the oo, we're going to join it together, but it's making the look at a book. Oh, look at a book. Oh, look at a book. And you see? Sitting on the line, and they are the same size. Can you see? Oh. Oh. Fabulous. Well done. Okay, let's practice doing the O sound. Oh, blow the snow. O sound. And we join it together. Oh, blow the snow. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. Okay? Because I haven't got any children in front of me. It's hard to know what speed to go at. So if you need me to slow down, pause the video. Oh, blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. And then when you write it this time, just say the sound. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's have a go at writing a word that's got the sound in it. Count the sounds for look. 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 3 sounds. Look. Pinch the sounds. Look. Look. Write the word. Look. Keep saying the sounds. Make sure it's got the right way of writing. Look. Okay, if you need to pause the video, watching me. Look. L, O, underlining special friend. K, look. Can you see that way? Look. Tick and correct your O, or your K. Make sure you've got the right K and the right O. Okay, let's count the sounds for book. Book. B-ook. Count the sounds. 3 sounds. 3 sounds. B-ook. Pinch the sounds. B-ook. B-ook. Write it. Keep saying the word and the sounds till you've written it. I'm going to write it on mine. B-ook. B, underlining special friend. K. B-ook. B-ook. Give yourself a tick for B, a tick for O, and a tick for K. B-ook. Book. Fabulous. Well done. Okie dokie. Put your piece of paper and your pen to one side. You'll need it again in a bit. All right. Let's have a go putting our sound, make sure it's the right way around, that we've learned in with the sounds that we already know. Super speedy. Off you go. Oh, we don't know that one yet. Let's put that to one side. Snuck in my pile. Thumbs up when you see it. Let's hide it again. Oh, remember, hiding it again. Let's try and get my pack together properly this time for you. What's that one? Ooh, not oh, ooh. Better. Remember, keep your eyes there. It is. Thumbs up for the oh. Well done. Give yourselves a super speedy sounds. Fantastic. Here we've got Fred. Fred is going to give us the sounds of words that have got oh in them. Okay, are we ready? Foot, 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 foot. Fabulous. Ook, 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 cook, ook, cook. Fabulous. Let's do one more. Ooh. Shook, 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 shook. Brilliant. Well done. You're getting so good at putting those sounds together for a word. Thank you, Fred. We'll see you again soon. Okay, let's have a think about our green words now. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend. It's not ooh, what is it? Oh, brilliant. Let's try again. Special friend, Fred talk. Read the word. Foot. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Look. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Cook. Special friends. And read the word. Shook. Oops. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Look. Okay, well done. We've gone through all of those words. They all have the oh sound in them. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hold them to my chest Whisper the first time round and read it when I push it forward. Are we ready? Fred, whisper. Skip. Fluff. Trip. Trip. That's quite a hard one, that one. Trip. Wink. Wink. Think. Skip. Right, well done. Okay. I'm going to pop one of our other cards in here, just to challenge you a little bit. This time, Fred in your head. If you need to pause the video because I'm going too quickly, that's absolutely fine. Fred in your head. Are we ready? Let's go. You might notice I'm moving them a bit quicker because we've got to get quick with our reading. If you don't need to Fred talk, that's fine. Wink. Well done. This time round, I'm going to move them a bit quicker. Are you ready? So I'm going to push them forward and move them a bit quicker. Well done. Really good reading there. Well done. If you needed to pause it, that's absolutely fine. Pause when you need to, okay? Nonsense words, silly words. Are we ready? Special friend, Fred talk, read. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Quig. What a load of nonsense. Quig. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Dreen. Dreen. What a load of nonsense. It's a silly word. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Tay. What a load of nonsense. That's a silly word, isn't it? Tay. Well done. I like doing those silly words. They're quite funny sometimes. Okay, you're going to do some writing now, and we're going to do hold a sentence. Okay? I'm going to write this red word, although it's not in red because I haven't got my red cards. I'm in school this week, so I should be able to pick up my red cards. What's that word? Brilliant. The. We need to remember that one. Okay? The sentence we're going to write is the frog on a log. The frog on a log. The frog on a log. Okay. What do we need at the beginning of a sentence? That's right, we need a capital letter. So the first word is the. This letter here needs to be a capital letter. Watch how I write the at the beginning of a sentence. The. The. What's the next word? The frog. Count the sounds for frog. 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 How many sounds in frog? Frog. Frog. 4 sounds. Finger space, 4 sounds. Frog. Frog. The frog. The frog. What do I need? I need a finger space. The frog on. 2 sounds. On. On. The frog on. I can't fit it on here, so I'm going to go on the line underneath. The frog on a log. How do I write the word log? Can you give me the sounds? L. Og. The frog on a log. What goes at the end of a sentence? A full stop. The frog on a log. Read it with me. The frog on a log. The frog on a log. The frog on a log. Cover one more word up. The frog on a log. Now, I want you to have a look. Capital letter, full stop. Pause the video and have a go at writing the frog on a log. Off you go and pause the video. Okay, are you back? Is everybody back? Fabulous. Did you have a go at writing the frog on a log? I'm going to show you mine. Are you ready? There we go. The frog on a log. Can you check yours? Pause the video so you can see that and check yours. If it's not the same, don't worry. Change it so it looks like mine. Make sure your letters are all the right way round. Okay? So if you need to pause this video to have a look at yours, you do that now. All right? Well done, everybody. I'm going to carry on next time doing some holder sentences. So remember your pencils and your paper, or whatever you need to write with and write on. All right? Keep practicing the sound and all the other sounds we've done. Post a picture on Dojo of your sentence if you can for your teachers to see. And if not, I will see you again in a couple of days. Take care. Bye-bye.